So over here in Windows 11, if I were to go around and connect an external storage like a pen drive, then what happens is that you get a notification asking what you want to do with it. So if I were to go around over here, you can see autoplay is over here. So if I were to click over here, you got different options. So you can take no action, you can configure the storage settings, or you can open up to view the files. So if I were to click right here, then what happens is that the file is displayed as you can see right here. If you want to change around the settings, let's say for example, if you don't want anything to happen or open up the folder by default, you can go around into settings and set that up. So to do that, you should first go around into settings. So I'm going to click on the start menu right here, and I'm going to click on settings right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around over here in devices. And once I go in devices, I'm going to go around into autoplay section right here. And here you can see the removable device option is ask me every time. So you can go around over here and choose take no action or choose open folder. So whenever you actually plug in the pen drive or external storage, this action will actually take place. You can see you can choose around for memory cards as well. So if you are to insert a memory card, then you can choose one of these options. And you can use autoplay as well. So if you want to turn off autoplay, the option won't be available anymore. Or if you were to turn it on, the option will be available every time and the action will be applied. So let me just close this around over here. And if I were to go around into the file explorer, then you can also go around and then access out the pen drive from over here, as you can see. So if I were to double click, you can see the files inside of the pen drive. And what you can do is you can simply go around and work around with this as a normal drive. You can go around over here, you can delete out the folder right here. But what happens is that when you delete off any files or folders from the pen drive, it is not moved to the recycle bin, but it is completely deleted because the external storage is not linked with your computer, so it does not go into the recycle bin. So whenever you press yes and delete something, it is permanently deleted. You cannot recover it from the recycle bin right here. So you can go around, right click and see different options right here as well. And over here, if I were to click on the show hidden items, you can see your external storage over here as well. So when removing your pen drive, you should make sure that no files are open from your pen drive and no files are being saved on written to the pen drive right here. So in order to make sure that none of them are happening, first of all, if you want to eject the pen drive, you can eject it directly if you're absolutely sure that nothing is being written to it or nothing is being opened from it. But if you want to be absolutely sure, you can go around over here into show hidden items. And here you can see safely remove hardware and eject media option. You can click and click on eject mass storage. Or you can right click on the pen drive right here and click on eject right here. And now what happens is that it gets unlinked and you're absolutely sure nothing is being written to or from the pen drive. And now you can eject out your pen drive or external storage. And that is how you can plug in and access files from an external storage and manage the autoplay settings for it inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.